Hi, I'm Cassie with Me Time. Let's talk about how to turn roofs for your collectible Christmas holiday village. All we do is we stick our 2 fingers inside of the fold, and we're going to put our thumbs on each of the corners. We're going to press our thumbs and pop the roof. How awesome is that? Really simple. We're going to do it on the other side as well. Again, place your fingers inside, put your fingers on the corners, push the corners through, and pop, we've turned our roof. At this point, we will use a blunt tip to poke out our corners so they lay nice and beautiful. Now, one thing to remember is this is 1 layer of fabric, and so we want to do this gently so that we don't poke a hole through our fabric. We do not recommend adding fusible backing to the roof because it will add unnecessary bulk. Just be careful when you're making your corners. To finish off our roof, we're going to take both eaves and pull it toward the center, nice and taut, and then we're gonna iron that nice and flat. Because the glitter is on the other side, we don't have to worry about using a pressing cloth at the moment, but we will use a pressing cloth when we do the glitter side of this.